Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at this Iseyyox 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger for iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's get this open. Here's the charger itself. User manual. We have a power brick. This is the USB charger that powers it. This outputs 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, or 12 volts at 1.5 amps. And we have a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. Let's take a quick look at the manual. So it says, please use the adapter that came with the package or quick charge 2 or 3.0 chargers. This shows phones it's not compatible with and phones it is. So you want to have a magsafe phone and you want to have a compatible case. So a magsafe phone with a magsafe case is the best option there. This talks about orientation of your phone on the charger. This talks about orientation of the AirPods, and this shows how to fold it. So you can fold it into this triangle shape, and then it can become a mount for your iPhone in horizontal or vertical orientation. And then here we have the specs. So this magnets to itself, so it's in a compact form. So if you throw that in your bag, it doesn't take up much room. And then it folds out like so, and we can plug in USB-C here. And then this will plug into the power brick. So this can charge 3 devices. You can put your iPhone here, your AirPods here, and your Apple Watch here. If we press up, we can raise up the Apple Watch charger. So then we can fold this up and attach these two sides. And they have the AirPod case down, so I'll do that. And we can set it like this. And that would be kind of like a dock orientation. So let's go ahead and test this out. So I'll plug this into power. See if there's any lights on here. I don't see any lights. If you're using this in a bedroom, some people might not like lights. So let's try charging some devices. Here I have an iPhone 13 mini. I'll set that on there. So it magnets to the charger. Pull up the Apple Watch charger, and here we can place the Apple Watch on there. So it wasn't charging. I didn't have the cable plugged all the way into the USB charger. So now this is charging and this is charging. So if you have AirPods, you can also put those there and you can charge all 3 devices at the same time. Let's try the dock mode. So here we can dock the iPhone like so. Or maybe you're watching a movie, you can dock it like so. So when you're done charging, we can unplug this. And we can fold the whole thing up. You can throw that in your bag, your travel case, your backpack, and it's going to take up very little room. So that's the Iseyyox 3-in-1 magnetic portable charger for iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. I really like the compact size of this. It looks nice. It has that nice mirrored ring on it. It doesn't seem to have any lights on it. So if you don't like lights in a bedroom, this could be a great option for a nightstand. And it's very versatile with the different techniques for using it. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.